In this video, I'd like to introduce one script function, import HTML. So we have a import HTML function here. So this is a built-in function in Google Sheets, and this function, there is a limit, so you can import only for basically if there is a table on that HTML page or a list. So you can import a table or a list. And so in our own version, OS import HTML, and we here can import data by using regular expression. So that means with regular expression, we can basically import anything that is possible from that page, as long as you can write a regular expression to match or to find the data you need from a website. In here, I have an example in this demo here. So I can simply make a copy of this example. So what this example is doing here is going to this website and get the installation of this add-on from that website. So let me just copy this one, and I'm going to replace this value here, and then it's going to import the data just like this example here. So this is basically to get the installation, and so you will see here this is the match from this regular expression. And the second value in this row is from this group value, so this 428. So this group here for the number, for the installation number. So if I'm going to this this page here, so you will see what I mean here. That's basically is to get this number from the website. So if I'm doing a check here for this element here, you will see here this is the tag. This is the div we are trying to get, but we are using regular expression to find this number, and then we return this match value to, where is my data? Okay, return this div by finding this regular expression and return it to Google Sheets. And the second value, because we are using a group, then we return it in the second cell. But if we want to only get this cell, the installation number, so we can easily add another function to index the value from the source, right? So the index is going to take a reference, and then we have a row. So the row, I think it should be row 2, and the column should be column 1. And then we can only get the number very easily. And I think this is quite powerful. So if you can, so basically you have a public website you can scrap from, and then you can build your own regular expression, and then you can parse anything if you want. But you need to figure out the regular expression yourself, right? So I think you can use some tools like the ChatGPT to build some test for you, and then you can try it with this formula. So basically take a URL, and then you have the regular expression, and then you have some flags for the regular expression. Okay, so I think that's about this video to explain this formula for you. Thank you, bye-bye.